So we're at Hare School where we're building a new primary school and boarding house, project value of 8.7 million. We've got two different buildings here, two different types of construction. The boarding house is in situ concrete, SFS clad with timber, and the school building is a steel structure, SFS, and clad with brickwork and timber.
We've been able to design and build a building specifically for deaf children. We are the largest school for the deaf by some considerable way, typically with 220 to 240 pupils across all age ranges.
The school here has quite specialist requirements. It's a school for deaf children, meaning there's a lot of emphasis on the acoustics.
And we put a lot of thought about the design, the shape of the rooms, the acoustic treatment of all the rooms.
We don't use British Sign Language here, so we are an oral auditory school. So they are deaf children with technology. Most of them have cochlear implants or hearing aids. In order to accommodate that style, having better acoustics is critical. So for example, we're standing here in the main hall. It's a big open space, there's no furniture in here, and yet you can hear no echo whatsoever when typically you would. So in the classrooms, there's additional acoustic material on the walls. So the reverberation, the echo is completely reduced and means that the ability for those children to hear what's going on in the classroom is enhanced. And it's those factors that make it an exceptional place.
And this is something that we haven't had in our current site at the Mill Hall. So this will really give a big benefit for teachers and pupils alike in their learning here.
This is purpose-built. Acoustics have been at the heart of the design and the construction, and allowing the children to come into a facility that has been built with their needs at the forefront of the design is just incredible. And I think the opportunity that it gives them as a learning environment is just second to none.
It's really rewarding working on a project where we're constructing something that the deaf children need to facilitate their learning, particularly when showing the primary school children around. You can see how they're going to benefit from it. They like the environment, and that it's been constructed specifically and designed specifically for their needs.
Working with Beard has been an extraordinary experience, and to think that we've done this post-Brexit through COVID and with recent inflationary pressures, and to come out on budget and on time and to a fantastic level of quality has been a real joy.
The relationship that we've built and had throughout this whole process has been fantastic.
The team's been led by Andy Spence, who's done an incredible job, him and his team, and it's been a joy working with him all the way through.
And I'd probably suggest that Beards are lucky to have him on board. But he's been a real client-facing partner, and we've really enjoyed working with him.
Yeah, in order to deliver a project of this scale, it's not just the site team who do work tremendously hard. It is the support we have back at head office, whether that be services, IT, but also that of our senior managers. They're there when we need them to support us.
We will be opening on time to budget in the autumn term, which is something that we've been looking forward to for 3 or 4 years now. So it's with great pleasure and pride that we are standing here today.